300 kg rocket is set vertically firing. அப்போ rocket vertical fire பண்றோம். Vertical fire பண்றோம். Mass of the rocket கொடுத்தாச்சு 5000. 5 into 10 to the power of 3 kg. Set vertically firing. The exhaust speed, velocity of the rocket is 800 meter per second. To give an initial upthrust of acceleration, upward or povendi acceleration, A is 20 meter per second square acceleration, it should go. The amount of gas ejected per second, mass of the gas given out by the rocket. When you see the rocket, when it goes, mass per time, the mass of the gas exhaust, which is dm by dt. In the case vandale formula, F is equal to Newton second or rate of change of momentum. Idhula velocity constant, mass is variable. Okay. What is the upthrust at the step? F is nothing but when the rocket goes up, what is the upthrust act on it? Upthrust என்றது M into A plus G. M plus G potana, it should go with an acceleration and it should offer a force which is equal to M into A plus G. In the concept, நம்ம எங்க இருந்து எடுத்திருப்போம்? Moving of or motion of a apparent loss of or gain in weight when the lift rises up. And the concept down வந்தா minus வந்துருக்கும். So இந்த இடத்துல F substitute பண்ணி M into A plus G into V into dm by dt. So take out dm by dt out. Dm by dt equal to M into A plus G divided by V. M is nothing but 5 into 10 to the power of 3. A plus G. A 20, G is 10, 30 by V 800. 800 to 0 gets cancelled. 3 la 2 points 10 irukku. Balance 150 divided by 8, which is equal to 187.5. இதான் dm by dt தான் கேட்டிருக்கோம். kg per second is the answer. B option is correct.